Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a nice sexy Valentine's Day look. If you're going out on a date or you're having a Valentine's party, why am I out of breath? If you're going out on a date or you're having a Valentine's Day party, then this look is for you. So let's get into this Valentine's Day look that I'm dying to do. I'm gonna take my La Roche-Posay moisturizer. So far so good. I've been using this for the last couple of times I did my makeup. This is what it looks like. I've been using this for the last couple of times since I've did my makeup, and I absolutely love the way it's making my skin feel. I love putting that down before I do my Yummy Skin moisture repair. And it's just double, triple hydrating my skin. I haven't worn my Pixie out in like a month, I think. I'm trying to grow it out now. I'm trying to grow it out now. I'm honestly over it. I get over hairstyles so quick. It's not even funny. But yeah, I think I want to do the long pixie. You know, like the Tiana Taylor long pixie do. I love how that looks. So my pixie is growing out. I might curl this. This is just a mold that I did. I might curl it. I don't know. I might just leave it like this. Not just a fan in the sense of the music. For brows, I'm going to go in with a Morphe brow pencil. I use my Too Faced Born That Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch to clean my brows, if anyone was wondering what I use. First, and then we're gonna move to face. Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Golden Beige as my primer for my eyeshadow. Spice palette, and this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to start out with this color right here. I'm gonna take this lighter brown right here. Take this color up here for the lid. from Made by Mitchell, and I'm just gonna use the black in here to line my eyes. I'm going to use my Yummy Skin Blurring Balm in the shade 8.5. Mainly in the center of my face. And this is my Smashbox, I think it's called the Blur foundation brush. It's Maybelline Superstay in the shades 350 and 368. Right? Charlotte Tilbury New Concealer, the Blur one in the shade 10. Made by Mitchell Curve Case, and this is the shade Deep. Magic Concealer in the shade 11 to just brighten up a little bit. Use Juvia's Place Pink Lady for my liquid blush. Set this under eye right away with my Charlotte Tilbury in number 2. Laguna 6 for my bronzer. Both Ube Birthday Cake and Banana Bread for my under eye powders. And I like to do that because I feel like it just adds a little something to It'll basically like sets the liquid blush and keeps it true tone to pink, so that when I put on my powder blush, it comes out that color, like the actual color in the pan, instead of for like making it muddy and coming out like an orangey tone. I'm gonna just put a little bit under the eye too, because I like the way it diffuses from the banana bread to the pink. See, that looks so pretty. I just dust the pink off with the actual blush, and I'm gonna use the pink blush from Juvia's Place. This is Juvia's Place Volume 4. Using the Danessa Show Me Skin Liquid Blurring Balm Setting Spray, I'm going to use Midnight Rouge from ABH. I'm going to use ABH Lip Velvet in the shade Softy. I'm gonna go over that with Lawless Gloss in the shade DZ. Just gonna darken the edges with ABH's lip liner and Amethyst. Looks absolutely beautiful. You will look so gorgeous on your night out with a little sexy dress. And yeah. If you want to look real hot for Valentine's Day, then this is the look for you. If you want to look smoking hot for this Valentine's Day, then this is the look for you. So if you like looks like this, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions about what I did in this tutorial, make sure you link them down in the comments below.